Today, I don't feel like cooking. So for lunch, we're going to have banana sandwiches. Now, I like peanut butter and banana. Just get you some peanut butter. You can have crunchy, smooth, any brand you like. You can do one side or both sides. Now, I'm going to take my banana. And I'm just going to cut it up in smaller pieces. I also like to overlap mine because I love bananas. Then we're going to put the top on it. That's a banana and peanut butter. Now for this next one, Zane likes mayonnaise. So we're going to do the same thing, only we're replacing the peanut butter with mayonnaise. I guess you can see I'm taking my small finger and I'm just kind of knocking it off my knife so it don't stick. Now, that is a very quick meal when you don't want to cook. And I've been busy and just wasn't in the mood to cook. So, quick, easy. Mayonnaise. Banana. Throw a few potato chips on there. Peanut butter. Banana. A few chips. And that's a quick snack. Thanks for watching.